Okay, so as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a quick transformation if you're like on the go and you need to get ready in a hurry but you still want to look good, you know? So to start this video out, I will be using the Mary moisturizing gift set, which is from Belif. Thank you so much, Belif, for sponsoring this video. It is priced at $38, which is such a steal because it comes with a full-size moisturizing balm, which this alone is $38, and then it comes with 2 deluxe minis of the moisturizing eye balm and then the Belif Aqua Balm sleeping mask, which just looks like this. Now the moisturizing eye balm is really lightweight and just helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It also makes for a great primer under your makeup. And then the Belif full-size moisturizing cream is super hydrating. You guys have seen me talk about this a lot on my channel. I love their moisturizers. They are so good and it hydrates the skin for up to 26 hours, which is amazing. For me, my skin is really dry, so I always need something that's really gonna moisturize my skin. And then the Aqua Balm sleeping mask should be applied with a thin layer and washed off in the morning. Now this mask revives and replenishes really dry skin. It also helps with redness and texture and just restoring your skin if you've been exposed to snow, wind, sun, etc. You guys know the deal. So I really love this gift set and I think it's a great steal for $38. I would recommend it. You guys know I wouldn't recommend anything that I don't truly believe in. So yeah, I will link it down below in the description box if you guys want to check that out, and let's just get into the video. So I'm going to start with putting the eye cream on, and I'm only going to take a little bit and put that all around my eye. You guys, this is so moisturizing. I just love it. And then I'm going to take the Aqua Balm moisturizer, just apply that to my face. I'm just going to take a little bit. This one is more on the thicker side, so you just need a little bit because it spreads around really great. I'm just going to rub this into the skin. Oh my god, my face was so dry, you guys. This feels so good. Every time I take a shower and I get out, because I just exfoliated too, so my skin is feeling really dry, but this just helps my skin feel so moisturized. Now moving on to my brows. When I'm on the go, I don't really want like a super defined brow, so what I do is I just brush my brows out. My brows need to be done so bad. And I'm just gonna go underline very lightly the bottom of my brow and just going with the shape. Just very lightly, and then I'm gonna fill the rest of my brow in. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now this is my bad brow, okay? This brow is so complicated. She never wants to work with me, but we're just gonna try to make them look the same, you know, but probably not gonna succeed. Okay, so that is it for the brows. Now I'm going to move on to my primer. So I'm going to use the Mercier Foundation Radiance Primer, which just looks like this. Since it is winter and my skin is really dry, you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, my skin does get really dry in the winter time. So now I'm going to move on to my foundation, and this combo I've really been loving for the last couple weeks because I actually left all my makeup, not all my makeup, but all the makeup I usually use on a daily at Daisy's house when I went to LA, because your girl did not pack when she needed to, okay? I was too tired to pack the night before I left, so I literally had to wake up at 3 a.m. and pack all my stuff up, and my makeup was sitting on her counter and I forgot all of it. So I've really been loving the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation mixed with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. So I'm gonna just mix these two together. And you know, you still want to be full coverage when you're not really trying, but you look like you're trying, you know? So this is like the perfect combination if you still want full coverage but you don't want to look like you have a lot of makeup on, or you're in a hurry and you're like on the go but you still want to look good, you know? This is actually what I did for Christmas Eve and Christmas because I just didn't have a lot of time to get ready. You guys should comment down below how your guys' Christmas was. Mine was kind of weird this year, you know, but I stuck it out and I stayed positive. I would really like to hear how your guys' Christmas went. On Christmas Eve, I actually went to Bellevue for Snowflake Lane. If you guys live in Washington, then you guys know what that is. I've actually never been, but it was like a cute little parade. It was like 30 minutes long, but it was really cute. On Christmas, we went to my mom's friend's house and we spent Christmas with their family family. I also went to visit Chris's family with Chris in Vegas, which if you guys didn't watch my vlog you didn't see, but yeah, I met his family. His family is so sweet, you guys. The most sweetest people on earth. His mom is a doll. I literally love his family. They're so cute. But yeah, that was really fun. Oh. 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 And I've actually been using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear Concealer. And this is actually a really lightweight concealer, so if you don't want to look like you have a lot of makeup on your face, this would be a good concealer for you. And it's super hydrating too. So if your skin's really dry and you can't use more matte drying concealers, then this is a good concealer for you. I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes. It kind of filters your under eyes too. It's a really nice lightweight concealer. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set everything. You guys, I really don't think I'll ever find a better powder than this. It's just so good. If you guys haven't tried it yet, you have to. I know there's been so much hype about it for the last couple years, but it honestly is the best setting powder. It doesn't give you flashback or none of that, and it's just so good. It sets everything so good. And I don't like to bake anymore because I find that when my skin's really dry and I bake, that it leaves dry patches, if you know what I'm saying. If you guys have the same problem, comment down below. But yeah, I just like to work it into the skin. And then what I do for the rest of my face is I actually started using this Milani powder foundation. I used to love this powder so much and I'd stopped using it. I don't know why. But this is in the shade 02 Fresco. And I'm just going to take this big powder brush and set the rest of my face with that. And then I'm going to take this Laura Mercier matte bronzing powder in Solei, and I'm just going to bronze my face with that. I actually started using this Wet n Wild brush again to bronze. I actually really like this brush too. I had to like pick out new brushes and stuff to use when I left my makeup at Daisy's place, so I'm using all the old brushes I used to love. Actually figured out my new blush. This is like a blush trio from Morphe. I've been using the Boss out of this. It's such a pretty blush, you guys. And my blush brush is from Dose of Colors Angled Contour Brush. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydro Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray. This is actually a priming spray, but I use it to set my face or to prime sometimes. It doesn't really matter. It's still spray, you know? So, it smells like coconut too, which is, oh, I love the smell of coconut, but I hate the taste of it. I'm going to use the Tarte Pro Glow palette to highlight my face. I'm just going to use these two colors up here. Actually, what's the name? I'm going to use Lit and Strobe to highlight, and the brush I'm using is the Morphe Y14 brush. I'm just going to set my face again. I always like to set my face one more time after I put highlight on. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the lip, and I'm going to use the Youre Nude Lip Liner. You guys, I'm literally almost out of this. It's like gone, but this is my favorite lip liner. I thought I had another one, but I literally can't find it. My lipstick drawer is just so messy. There's so many like lipsticks in there, and I'm really bad at organizing. Okay, let's just say that. I'm sure you guys know, but I'm super bad at organizing things because when I need to find something and I go through things, I just mess everything up and then I don't feel like reorganizing it, you know? Okay, well, it's completely out, so I'm not going to be able to line the top of my lips, but it's fine. I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. What color is this? This is in the color Poet. And then I'm going to put a gloss over this because you guys always know I have to add a gloss. This is the gloss by Laura Mercier in Bear Baby. It's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. I just realized I forgot to put mascara on. So I'm going to put mascara on. You guys can use any mascara you guys want to. But yeah, I'm not going to put on lashes because when I'm on the go, lashes are just really complicated to try and put on because I never get them on the first try. So I'm just gonna put mascara on. I've been loving the natural lash look lately, if you guys can tell. Because all my pictures that I've been posting on Instagram, I haven't had any lashes on. Now I'm gonna do my hair, and basically all I do is part my hair in the middle and brush my hair back. And then I'm gonna take some hairspray and just hairspray my hair down. I don't have the right brush for this right now because I actually left all my hair products at Daisy's also. I'm just waiting for her to ship me back everything, but this will work for now. So yeah, this is what I do when I'm on the go. This is such an easy hairstyle to do. And then I'm just gonna tie it back in a little bun. And yeah, you guys, this is my on-the-go transformation. Literally, when I'm doing this and I really need to hurry, it only takes me about 30 minutes. It's super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.